Digital marketing refers to the practice of promoting and selling products or services using digital channels, such as the Internet, mobile devices, social media platforms, search engines, email, and other digital mediums. It encompasses various strategies and techniques that businesses employ to reach and engage with their target audience in the online realm. Digital marketing leverages the vast reach and accessibility of digital platforms to create brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads, and ultimately increase sales and revenue. It involves a wide range of activities, including 1. Search engine optimization, SEO, the process of optimizing websites to rank higher in search engine results pages organically, thus improving visibility and attracting organic traffic. 2. Search engine marketing, SEM, paid advertising on search engines like Google, where businesses bid on keywords to display their ads prominently in search results. 3. Social media marketing, promoting products or services through social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc., to engage with target audiences, build brand awareness, and drive traffic. 4. Content marketing, creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience, with the aim of driving profitable customer action. 5. Email marketing, utilizing email campaigns to send targeted messages to prospects and customers, nurturing relationships, promoting products or services, and driving conversions. 6. Influencer marketing, collaborating with influential individuals or online personalities to promote products or services and tap into their audience and credibility. 7. Affiliate marketing, partnering with affiliates or third-party websites to promote products or services, where affiliates earn a commission for every sale or lead they generate. 8. Display advertising, placing banner ads or visual advertisements on websites or digital platforms to increase brand visibility and drive traffic. 9. Mobile marketing, optimizing marketing efforts for mobile devices, including mobile-friendly websites, mobile apps, and location-based marketing. 10. Analytics and data-driven marketing, utilizing tools and technologies to track, measure, and analyze marketing campaigns' performance, consumer behavior, and engagement, enabling data-driven decision-making and optimization. Digital marketing offers several advantages over traditional marketing, including broader reach, cost-effectiveness, real-time feedback and analytics, precise targeting, and the ability to personalize marketing messages. It has become an integral part of the overall marketing strategy for businesses in the digital age. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.